Today on I Identify Birds.
That's a bird. That's a bird. That is also a bird.
So here we have the Tom Scott. Tom Scott enjoys geese, birds and other things like this.
The geese. That is a pigeon. I'm sorry, I've been utterly distracted because there are adorable baby ducks crossing the pathway over there. Duck, duck, there we go. Just tail flapping, tail flapping. I'm being pestered occasionally by some surprisingly aggressive swans. So instead, chickens. I also don't know what breed of duck that is. That is not a breed of duck I've ever seen before. That is a crow. That's a goose. That's a coot. Those are swans. Oh, also parakeets. There. I have only ever seen these from a very, very long distance. It's never occurred to me that peregrine falcons have a call. Maybe they shouldn't have illegally fed those pigeons. They are just chickens. Oh, I'd like to see some superb owls. You can go meet an owl. Wow. I am holding an owl. You can shut up. Never work with animals.